It's a really exhausting day. Ugh. I know what you mean. And that's why you collapsed. Can we drink something, please? Sure, you can drink something. If we find it, then we can drink. Okay? Sure. Okay, I see how dizzy you feel. Well, I think we'll see water soon. I see something. Water, finally! Where'd it go? You know how long I've been craving water? Wait! Don't drink that! Why? You might not know there might be something that's gonna jump on you like a poison frog. Oh. I'm gonna check real quick. There's a poison frog in it. It seems calm. It seems calm, so can I drink it? Fine, if it only doesn't jump at you. I feel like it's sleeping. Well, my turn. Wow, aggressive. Well, I guess I'll give myself a turn.